In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the opacity of a shape in Google Slides. This is a really useful trick if you want to create more professional-looking presentations, especially when you're layering text and graphics on top of each other. By adjusting opacity, you can make shapes more transparent so that the background or images behind them still show through. First, open your Google Slides presentation and go to the slide where you want to edit a shape. If you don't already have a shape on the slide, you can add one easily. Go to the toolbar at the top, click on the Insert menu, then choose Shape. From there, pick the type of shape you want, like a rectangle or a circle, and click and drag on the slide to draw it. Once your shape is on the slide, click on it to make sure it's selected. You'll know it's selected if you see the blue handles around the edges. When the shape is selected, look up to the toolbar again and find the Fill Color icon. It usually looks like a paint bucket. Click on that paint bucket to open the color options for your shape. Inside the Color menu, choose the color you want your shape to be. After selecting a color, look carefully at the bottom of that same color panel. You should see an option labeled Custom or a small plus icon. Click on that to open more detailed color settings. This is where you'll find the transparency control. In the Custom Color window, you'll see a slider or a field labeled Transparency or Opacity. Drag this slider left or right to adjust how see-through the shape is. Sliding it to the left makes the shape more transparent, while sliding it to the right makes it more solid. As you move the slider, you'll see a live preview of how your shape looks on the slide. So take a moment to find the exact level that works for your design. When you're happy with the opacity, click OK or Apply to save the changes. Your shape will now keep that transparency level. You can repeat this process for any other shapes on your slide or across your presentation to keep a consistent look. That's all there is to it. By adjusting opacity, you can highlight important content, soften backgrounds behind text, and give your slides a clean, modern style.